Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about glass bead with a vapor honing machine. Now glass bead's really good for polishing like aluminum. Also works very well for removing light rust on parts. Today we have a brake rotor that is rusted, and we're going to run it through glass bead and show you what those final results look like when it's done. Hey guys, we're back. We cleaned the top of this. As you can see, all the rust has been removed. We started on the outside edge, but we wanted to show you the before and after so you can actually see exactly what it looked like before we started with the glass bead and after we did the glass bead. There you have glass bead. Still can be used for removing rust. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. My extension is 108. Thanks for watching.